Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial about how you can create your X account. So to create your X account, open your search engine and search x.com. Here click on create account. Now add your name, email and date of birth. Then click on next. Well, it has sent you a verification code on the email you use. Just grab it and add it here and click on next. Now create your password and click on sign up. Now add your profile picture and click on next. Here create your username. And click on next. Well, you can allow notifications or skip it. Here select some of your interests and click on next. Here follow a bunch of people and click on next. Now your X account has just been created and you can go to your profile and make changes according to your needs. And this is how you can create your X account, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.